Hello folks, welcome to tonight's challenge. This is going to be the Chris Hansen challenge. He went patriotic on me, folks. Metallic white, metallic blue, it's a sapphire blue, and metallic red. This is a spitting frog. If you notice the slits here, the water will do that as you're popping it across. It'll come out the side. Make a little bit more noise. The lure actually rattles too. So what we're going to do is we're going to put some stars on this lure. We're going to base coat this lure red. Then we're going to come over it with blue. Just stay tuned and see what happens here, folks. There's my tool I was looking for. So I sent my wife to Hobby Lobby because I'm not going to be trying to draw on those stars on here. And she picked up this little sheet of stars. So y'all folks see what I'm doing there? I'm going to put these, I guess you call them stickers, you know, good job stickers. I bet I don't ever get one of those from my wife, but put them on there. We'll do all the painting, and just before we epoxy, they will come off. I got to see kind of how I place that one, so I can place this one just about the exact same way there. So, good job. Now you see that, and then I already stuck one on top. We're going to have one on each cheek there. I thought about doing them around the eyes, but I really want the stars to stick out and not have an eye in the middle of them. So, you know what? Let's move on with this project. Folks, remember, leave in the comments what challenge you'd like to see me do. And send me the colors and what color glitter you want. I think I almost got every color of glitter. I'm a glitter man. I think the glitter makes the baits do better in the water. It makes them pop more. So that's just my own personal opinion, folks. So let's mix this red of paint up right quick. You want to? That's a pretty metallic red. But you really got to do some good mixing on that metallic paint. Was everybody ready for the weekend? What you got planned? I know what I got planned. It involves coffee. It's shop time. I've got to get some work done in the shop. You'll notice, folks, that the shop's been changing. I have remodeled inside my shop finally. I got tired of being in here when it was so hot. We insulated and sheeted everything and changed stuff around, and we really enjoy coming out to the shop now. When we turn the air conditioner on, I come in here this morning, it's 64 degrees. I was in heaven. I was really liking it. So, well, we got that pretty red all mixed up, folks. What do y'all say we just do the top half red and leave the belly white, and then do the blue over it all? How do y'all folks feel about them plans? I kind of like those plans. So let's go ahead and kick this bad boy off. Now we're going. let's dry that up right quick and see what we get another coat put on it. Okay folks, let's get another coat on here. We got it all dried up now, so let's apply a little bit more red up on there. Looking nice and bright and red there. Now, what do you think there, folks? That pretty? Okay, we're going to let that dry for about 15 minutes before we wrap it, so we don't scar none of the paint off of it, folks, and we'll be right back. Okay folks, we're back. We got this lure all dried up, and let's get it wrapped and get the blue on it. So this is what we're going to use tonight, and we'll wrap this lure and go over it with our blue and get her dried up, and then get her epoxied, and it'll be challenge finished. This has kind of been a fun little old lure to paint, folks. I've enjoyed it. Of course, you know me, I enjoy any time I spend in my shop. I spend more time in here than I do in the house, I'll guarantee you. I just sleep in there, take a shower, that's about all. Once that I call that old retirement thing here in a few years, my wife probably never have to see me again. I'll be in my shop all the time. Okay folks, we got her wrapped up here. Let's go ahead and throw our blue paint over this and see what we come up with. So I pre-mixed the blue paint just a second ago while we were sitting here waiting on that to dry to save us a second or two. So let's just get it started. I'll tell you one thing folks, this thing's going to be cooler than new underwear. I'm already liking the way this thing's going to look. Certainly going to be different. I think my wife will like it. Alright, the moment of truth. To see whether I get to film this video twice. Just kidding folks. Just kidding. Take all these clips off of there. Pull all that away. That is cool. Folks, that is actually an awesome looking bait. Lord have mercy. That is cool. Love it, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. And see what we got on that end. That may be the tricky part. I have to pull this light down folks. I apologize. It's going to be in the video, but I got to have the light because I'm old and I can't see very good no more. Looky there. Ain't that pretty cool? So let's ease this one off. Delicate work right here folks. Not to scratch your paint. And to get that off of there. Looky there. That's just pretty cool folks. Of course, you all know me, I'd fish it because I'd fish anything. There's the other side. What do y'all think about that? So I guess it's gonna be red eyes, silver eyes. I got overruled. See, I told you I wasn't the boss around this place. So let's pull that silver boy off of there. Lay it up in there, just like it's supposed to be. There's your eye, folks. Eye for an eye. Get this one pulled off of there. Get it laid up in there. There's both of our eyes. There you go, folks. Now all we gotta do is put the epoxy on him. I think he looks pretty awesome. Look at that. I love that belly on that. How it transitions from the red to the blue to the white. That's just cool as a brand new pack of bacon. So on this lure, folks, we're going to use about 1.5 of each. 1.5 of the Rexin, 1.5 of resin, 1.5 of the resin, 1.5 of the hardener. So let's get this party started, and then we'll put this silvery glitter in it. There we go, folks. Let's glitter this little bad boy up. Get us a stick over here and stir her up, and I guess we need to put our lids back on real quick before y'all get me in trouble for not doing that. It kind of took me a minute or two to figure out kind of what I wanted to do. It's something I've never done. I've never done a pattern like this. This is the first one. I mean, I've done this pattern with the stuff, but not like this. I've never ever, in the $10,563 and 1,500,000 baits I've painted, ever put a sticker on a bait and peeled it off. That's just something new, and it's just because I was being lazy and didn't want to hand paint stars on it. Because I could do it. Sometimes I want to be lazy on a Friday evening, and this was the day. Well, let's get this dude epoxy. Oh Lord, have mercy. Challenge completed. That's just pretty awesome. Now remember, folks, the last time that we did one of these spitting frogs, y'all remember what I showed you have to do? You have to go in and clean the gill. The gills out here, remember? You don't want those full of epoxy. You want that hole cleared out on them so that they'll actually work correctly, folks. Remember that? Remember me telling you all that? Yeah. If you can look right there, you can see that that hole's clear. And that hole's clear. I know you can't see it on that camera, but trust me, they are. Make sure you don't have no gobs of epoxy up there. So there it is, the Chris challenge complete. I think that's an awesome looking lure. Look at the head on that, folks. And we're going to put it over here on the rack and let it dry overnight, and we'll hook it up tomorrow and we'll see what we got. Good morning, folks. Challenge accepted and conquered. The Chris Hansen challenge. Red, white, and blue. Silver glitter, done deal. And this is what we came up with right here. So this is a very cool bait. It's a spitting frog, number 6 hooks, number 6 rings. So this is what I did with that. I asked him, I said, red, white, and blue, would you like a flag? And he said, nope. I said, okay. So this is what I came up with, folks. Was this lure right here. That's a mighty fine looking little specimen right there. So this was a really fun challenge for me. It took me a couple of minutes to figure out what I was going to do with those colors if I didn't do an American flag, but this is what I came up with, folks. You got to check it out. Pretty awesome looking little lure. It was fun. Remember, folks, to like, subscribe, and share my channel. Hit that notification bell up there in the corner. You know, help me keep this going. I'm having lots of fun doing this with y'all. So y'all have a great week, and I'll catch you later.